What's up, guys? In today's 90-second SEO video, we're going to be covering how to create regex in RE2 Regex so that you can add it to Google Search Console and find low-hanging fruit. The first step is going to be accessing Google Search Console, and where it says new, you're going to select that, drop down to query. Now within that container, we're going to select queries containing and come down to custom regex. Your second step is going to be using the example that I provided, and this is going to find any kind of keywords that start with a question word. So how, when, why, things like that. We're going to paste it within ChatGPT. You can use either 3.5 or 4. We're going to run that prompt. After that finishes, we're going to follow that up with our second prompt, which is turning the content that ChatGPT just created into our actual RE2 regex. You're going to run that prompt. And once it finishes, we're going to copy the code, go back over to Google Search Console, and paste our value within the matches regex pattern section. We're going to click apply. And if it works and you have those queries available to you, you'll see a huge difference in your clicks and your total impressions. And then when you come down to your queries, it's going to be any form of query that, again, is a question. So there you have it, guys. Your 90-second SEO video today was how to find question-specific queries using RE2 Regex within Google Search Console. Now, I've also included some follow-ups in the description below. I've created an RE2 regex pattern that is going to search for any kind of long-tail keywords that are 5 words or more. I've also included a regex pattern that searches for any queries that contain a specific keyword. So what do you do with all of this information once you have it at your disposal? I parse that data and try to find unoptimized keywords, and then I add them to existing landing pages, or if the landing pages don't exist, I create them. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it informational. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs up anyway. I would really appreciate it. And until next time, this is Todd.